folks, James Barr here, sales executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Today I have this absolutely stunning 201 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this oxidized grey metallic paint finish. You have the BMW M Sport aerodynamic body kit, the M Sport front bumper, the iconic BMW Kinney grille with the black trim, the BMW LED front lights, the front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the 19-inch BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging and the blue M Sport brake pads. You have the high gloss black finish around the windows and the mirrors, the privacy glass in the rear, the sunroof up top alongside the shark fin aerial at the back, the rear spoiler, the BMW 530e badging, the rear LED taillights, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors and the rear parking camera to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. This car is also equipped with an automatic trunk. Just simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. You have the collapsible rear seats as well to give you even more trunk space. Now this is a 2-litre petrol engine, a hybrid obviously. Let's take a look at the interior and some of the specs on board this 330e. Now that we're inside, you can see the fully digital cockpit with real-time travel information, the multifunctional BMW paddle shift M Sport steering wheel. You have cruise control with brake function, a speed limiter, the heated steering wheel. You're able to control the radio and other medias through the steering wheel. You can also activate the voice control, answer and hang up calls. You have the BMW teleservice, fully touchscreen. Has features such as media, enhanced Bluetooth, communications, sat navigation, the BMW iDrive system that allows you to quickly access features on the BMW teleservice. The interior comes in a jet black individual leather with a blue and red M Sport stripe or stitching, surrounded by a platinum trim finish alongside customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's in blue, but you can choose from a range of different colors. Fully electric windows, mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, a hybrid mode, an electric mode, an adaptive mode, the e-brake, the 360 parking sensors, and the rear reversing camera. Now, like I said, folks, this is a quick look around this 201 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport iPerformance Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.